Welcome to Gariautocare. I'm Tim Wire. Right now I have Honda Shuttle. Today's topic is to start this vehicle. Look at the dashboard. The parking, neutral, reverse, drive and low is flashing on the dashboard. So today I'm going to show you how to solve this problem. First, I'm going to scan this vehicle using my thinker machine so that we identify the main fault code. Is a 2017 model. Then we have under system selection, we are going straight to the engine control module. Okay, under engine control module, the problem is CN reception error, CRS. It was involved in an accident. Then let's go back to we call it the transmission. So we have transmission. Under transmission, that code cannot prevent this vehicle to start, so let's confirm on transmission. Under transmission we have let me zoom. We have transmission park position sensor switch A circuit low. Then we have transmission park position sensor switch B circuit low. Then we have transmission park sensor switch A temporary. Then transmission park position sensor switch B circuit temporary. See, it has a problem with the transmission range switch, so I'm going to clear this fault code from the system. Let me try to clear. Let me read. We still have that fault code on the system, even on the dashboard is still flashing. So let's go and confirm that the transmission parking range sensor. So here we are going to change a new socket. After changing that socket, it's still flashing on the dashboard because the vehicle was still on. I'm going to clear that fault code from the system. So we are going to clear that fault code. Still flashing. I'm going to clear. Do you want to clear fault code? Okay. Okay. It has stopped flashing, but there's not any indication if we have parking, reverse, neutral, drive, or low. Let's confirm that fault code from the system. Right now we don't have any trouble codes, so I'm going to put ignition off like that. Wait for around 5 seconds. Let me put ignition on. Let's wait and see. See, right now the vehicle is on parking. See, so everything is working perfect. Let me try to start the vehicle. 1, 2, 3. Fantastic. Ready on the dashboard. So right now everything's working perfect. Although we have the ABS, we have off-road, we have steering, we have power system, so everything's working perfect. On drive, reverse, neutral, then parking. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.